Welcome to today's session for helping with anxiety. Wherever you are, choose to spend a few moments on complete stillness. Gently close your eyes and bring your attention to the sound of my voice. Allow yourself to notice your breath. Feel your breath for a few moments, but don't try to change it. Notice how effortless your breathing is. As you bring your awareness to your breath, notice how your breathing starts to slow. Now take a deep, slow breath in and exhale slowly. Whatever is going on around you, allow yourself to just focus on my voice, and as you do, take another deep, slow breath in and breathe out slowly. Give yourself permission to relax and feel grounded in this moment. The here and now is the only thing that matters. As you take a breath in, feel the oxygen fill up from the base of your spine. On each out breath, feel your body relax. First start with your feet. Breathe in, and as you breathe out, feel your feet become heavy. Breathe in and out slowly, and feel your legs become heavy and free of tension. Breathe in and out, and feel your shoulders become heavy and let them fall down. Breathe in and out and unclench your jaw. If you have any thoughts in your mind, just watch them. Don't try to hold on to a thought, just let it vanish off into the distance. Anchor yourself in the present moment. That is the only thing that matters right now. As you breathe in, imagine a bright light filling your entire body. This light is warm and is sent to every part of your body. Now, I invite you to remember a situation when you felt anxiety. If you feel that anxiety in your throat, chest, or somewhere else, just breathe into the tension and send the light that way. I invite you to look curiously at this anxious situation without judgment. You are in control, and playfully bringing your awareness to the anxiety. Know that our minds are trying to protect us from danger and trying to protect us from negative emotions. The anxiety you feel is a way to warn you and protect you from feeling hurt. Allow yourself to let go of this feeling and feel an inner confidence. This inner confidence has always been there. You are just shining a light on it. Breathe in deeply, and as you exhale slowly, I invite you to turn that fear into a feeling of excitement. The excitement comes from knowing that you have the ability to handle any situation in life. You can let go of any apprehension or worry about what might happen. Often, when we feel we don't have certainty, it can cause us to worry about what might happen. You have certainty in your breath, and it anchors you to a sense of joy. Whatever thoughts or feelings you have, about an anxious situation, don't hold on to it. Let it float away into the distance. Allow yourself to detach from the anxiety and be grounded in the present moment. There are many things in life we can't control, and that is okay. Allow your light to shine and trust in yourself. You are a wonderful person and can accomplish anything you set your mind to. As you inhale deeply and exhale slowly, allow yourself to feel this positive energy. This energy fills your entire body, to every cell and muscle in your body. On the next breath, I invite you to open your eyes slowly. Take a deep breath in and breathe out slowly. Thank you for joining me for this meditation. I send you positive energy and best wishes for the rest of your day.